what do you think about my profile? Okay, let's see. 3D product animation, photorealistic CGI commercials, and Amazon ads. I think that's super cool. And I see you have a specialized profile, which is nice. 4K earnings isn't too bad. I don't think you need a lot of my help. You have a good photo, you have a specialized profile, you have jobs, you have a video. Shut up, you don't need my help. You have a video. Did you
Hey
do
there,
this?
I'm Hassan. I'm a 3D animator and I've been in the game for the past 5 years. And this is the sort of animations I make.
I would hire you. If I was in, like, your industry, I would be out of a job. That's cool. Your product doesn't be seen in the best light, like for photorealistic 3D product animations. This is so cool. The only thing, if I need to be picky, I would say what you'll get is like, I don't think this makes a lot of sense. I don't know how I would reword this. I would probably ask AI, but I feel like, and correct me if I'm wrong, isn't this a list of different services you can do? Because if so, here kind of leads me to think that you can get all of this, while I think people would choose one. I'm probably not making a lot of sense, but I would just try to reword this if possible. I don't care if you use ChatGPT, it's great. That's the thing. Some people use AI and it's crap because they probably feed it crap and they don't tweak it, and you have great feedback. You could probably feature some of these in your profile because they're good. And I would do the same thing you did here and link a project because I see they were super satisfied, unless the client doesn't want the thing to be shown. I wonder if you could create more stuff on your project catalog. Again, I'm being picky, but you really don't have much to say shit about. One thing that I wanted to check here, have the skills. So in your main profile, I think you have a limit of 15 skills. In your specialized profile, you can add a limited skills, and that can help you rank for those skills. So just go to town, start typing a skill, and put everything that's relevant. This is like what you typically send clients, right? You had, like, I believe 33 sent, 13 viewed, and 3 responded. We need to up the amount of proposals you've sent to have more data and to have more opportunities. So obviously send more. But if I would change anything on this, would be to maybe make them simpler or shorter. Again, you can ask ChatGPT. Clients that are hiring on Upwork, they're busy. And also, I know the crap ton of things of proposals that they're sent, so they're reading a lot and they're probably bored. If I was to rewrite this, and I'll actually send you a version, I would cut this. I would put, I wanna help you with XYZ. I would delete this. I don't think it's necessary. And here, I would ask a question. And that question ideally would prove that you read it. In this case, it's a skincare brand. Ask them what type of skincare products do they sell. Or in your case, since you'll be animating stuff, what's the type of packaging? You could ask something that's relevant, and that also proves that you read it and shows that you're interested in knowing more, which is a 2-in-1. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions. If you want me to review other profiles, send me a message on Instagram. I think that's the best way. I figured, yeah, YouTube isn't a big fan of links, so send me a DM, same user,